Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best scarf loom is probably one of the most versatile and creative crafting tools you can find, allowing you to weave your own unique and cozy scarves with ease. In this video, we will explore what makes a great scarf loom, the different types available, and guide you through the process of creating your first scarf, from choosing the right materials to mastering the weaving techniques, so you can unleash your creativity and enjoy the satisfaction of making your own beautiful and personalized accessories. Number 5. SENTRO 48 Needle Knitting Machine. This innovative machine makes knitting easy and fun for everyone. It's perfect for creating scarves, hats, and more. Simply thread the yarn and turn the crank, it's that simple. Watch as it creates beautiful stitches in seconds. It's made from durable, environmentally friendly plastic, ensuring it's safe and long-lasting. A toy that's both fun and practical. This versatile machine lets you create both flat and round pieces. The possibilities are endless. Even beginners can master it quickly. Just follow the simple instructions for perfect results every time. Knit your own unique masterpieces. It's a fantastic way to express your creativity and develop your hand-eye coordination. What we like? It's super easy to learn, even for beginners. Its high-quality materials ensure it will last. You can make so many different things with it. If you are looking for a simple yet effective way to start your knitting journey, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I've had so much fun with this. I've made 4 hats with it today. My first one turned out pretty well. My next 3, pictured, turned out amazing. The machine was very easy to set up. I have used this machine to make many hats, ear warmers, hand warmers, and scarves. It works well and is very easy to use after the first couple uses. I am really enjoying the SENTRO 48 needle. After watching some videos on how to use it, I was cranking out hats. Search circular knitting machine or AliExpress king size. It's a different manufacturer but techniques are the same. The size ranges fit child to average adult. My head measures 22 and they fit me comfortably. My goal is to use up some 50+ pounds of yarn for charity knits. There are a lot of free tutorials available for more than just hats or scarves, so don't feel like you're limited to making only 2 things. Number 4. Hapinest Knit Loom Kit. Get ready to explore your creativity with this complete knitting kit. It has everything you need to start your crafting journey. Inside, you'll find a round knitting loom, colorful yarn, a crochet hook, and easy-to-follow instructions. It's designed for young crafters. This isn't just fun, it's educational too. It helps develop fine motor skills and sparks creativity in young crafters. With the large loom and clear instructions, knitting becomes a breeze. Even beginners can create beautiful hats and scarves. Looking for a gift that encourages creativity and self-expression? This kit is perfect for birthdays or holidays. It lets kids make unique handmade items. Everything you need is included to start creating your own unique hat or scarf. Let your imagination run wild. What we like? This kit has everything you need to get started. It's a great way to teach kids valuable skills. It's also a fun and engaging activity for young crafters. If you're looking for a gift that combines learning and fun, this is it. What people say. Purchased for a 7-year-old and she loved it and was able to use on her own. The book is easy to follow with lots of fun projects. Easy to use and understand. She's already made 1 hat. Only took a few days and she enjoyed doing it while relaxing watching TV. My daughter said, I really like it, it's fun to do and it's really nice and something I can do if I'm bored and it's fun. BC I've always wanted to make my own things like a beanie or a scarf and it's easy to do. Number 3. JCBIZ Rectangle Loom Knitting Set. It's time to explore your creativity with this complete knitting loom set. Everything you need to start creating beautiful handmade items is right here. This loom is perfect for making a wide variety of items, from scarves and hats to cushions and more. It's lightweight and easy to carry, so you can craft anywhere. Made from durable, high-quality plastic, it's built to last. You'll enjoy its strength and practicality for years to come. The innovative anti-slip stitch design prevents injuries and makes yarn handling a breeze. You'll find that it significantly speeds up your knitting process. Design and create one-of-a-kind gifts for yourself and your loved ones. It's the perfect way to show you care. This kit comes complete with everything you need to get started, including the loom, hooks, and needles. Just add yarn and let your imagination run wild. What we like? It's built to last with its strong and sturdy design. You can create a wide variety of items. The anti-slip design makes knitting faster and easier. If you need a reliable loom for various projects, this is a great option. What people say? Easy to use. My daughter loves it. It is easy to use. I self-taught myself by following videos on YouTube. Sturdy plastic. Number 2. JapanAmStore Knitting Loom, M. This innovative loom makes knitting easy and fun for all ages. It's perfect for creating scarves, sweaters, and more. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, it's built to last. The removable pegs let you use it with various yarn thicknesses. Its flexible design makes knitting a breeze, even for beginners. You'll be creating beautiful items in no time. Whether you're a child or an adult, you can use this loom to knit scarves, hats, socks, and shawls. Adult supervision is recommended for children. Choose from 4 sizes to suit your project. There's a size for children's scarves, adult scarves, wide scarves, and even blankets and shawls. It's a DIY kit, so you can assemble it yourself and personalize your knitting experience. Unleash your creativity and start knitting today. What we like? You can adjust it to fit different yarn thicknesses. It's quick to learn and easy to use. It's perfect for making scarves, blankets, and more. If you want a loom that adapts to your needs and skill level, this is for you. What people say? The loom is solidly constructed out of thick plastic, with firmly attached pegs. The peg heads hold the loops in place, but are smooth enough that you can pull loops over with no problem. 2 strips from this loom of 3 bulky skeins of each 6 skeins in all makes a good shoulder wrap or nice lap blanket. Double that to make a queen-size blanket. It's a compact loom easy to hold. Number 1. Coopay Scarf Knitting Loom Kit. Knitting together with your kids creates wonderful memories. This kit provides a fun, rewarding experience, building their patience and confidence. This kit is built to last. The durable plastic pegs and sturdy construction ensure it will be enjoyed for many projects to come. It's versatile. The detachable pegs let you customize it for different knitting projects, and the anti-slip design makes knitting easier and safer. Even beginners can master it quickly. In just minutes, you'll be creating scarves, hats, and more. It's the perfect way to introduce children to knitting. It's safe, easy to use, and helps develop their hand-eye coordination and creativity. Make scarves, hats, socks, and so much more. This kit is perfect for family projects, gifts, or just for fun. What we like? This loom is made from long-lasting materials. It's incredibly simple to use, even for beginners. The design is safe for children to use. If you're looking for a fun and easy-to-use loom for kids or beginners, this is a great choice. What people say? So easy and fast to work with this loom. It was definitely a learning curve, but after that it worked really well. After taking in the time to install pegs, I had trouble with them falling off. But being I will be only using 4-ply, I glued them in. Now I like the loom with strong pegs. The distance between pegs makes nice warm projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.